What do you feel you did different in that audition that in your heart made you, that you're like, you know what, I deserved it because I did this thing that maybe all those other A-listers may have not have done or thought of?
Well, maybe they have or maybe they didn't, but I got off of set that day. I was on set of, I believe it was Married to a Baller, the first one,
Okay.
I think, and I had just got off set. I was working all day and I saw that audition come in and it wasn't due for like 3 or 4 days. And when I got home,
You
what
were
do you think I
already in
did?
hair and makeup. You had been doing this all day. It's just another day at the office for you. Yep.
I turned it in the same day that they sent the audition. And it was
Okay.
like maybe I was the first person they saw and they were like, "Okay, there's something here." But you know what I mean? But it was just something, there was like a fire in me. I was like,
Let's go. All the Caribbean.
I was offered a role, right? And I connected really well with the director. She happened to be from the Bronx. I'm from the Bronx as well. And then my audition for her, she was like, this was amazing. I loved it. And, you know, my husband, who also works with me on film, on set, loved it too. It was going to be shooting for like a week and a half.
"Oh,
It was going to pay really well. And I was like, oh, this is going to be it. And then a week later, and I did get a message and she said that they just decided to go in a different direction.
Powered by Glacier.